here I got half a lemon. We're gonna be making some lemon and olive oil and cayenne pepper. You want to take this one first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Okay? Happy Mother's Day. Big up on yourself. And whatever you guys are doing, stay blessed. So, right here, this is what you want to do right here. All right, guys? Beautiful. Pour it out into another container. Right here, we're going to put a teaspoon of olive oil. Right here, we got some cayenne pepper. Right here, this is just a pinch of the cayenne pepper. We're gonna put it straight inside of it like this and give it a mix. We're gonna mix it just like that. So we're gonna pour it out just like this. Love, this is fantastic, and this is exactly what I'm talking about. Now you wanna drink this first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. All right.